Yeah. Hi. Hello, everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to have a good global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of leadership, project management, and agile. You can help me with that aim either by subscribing to this channel or sharing my videos to friends and peers who are in need. Right? So having said that, let us get into the today's context. Currently, we're discussing topics in SEP 6.0, particularly glossary items. Today's topic is non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements or NFRs are system qualities that guide the design of the solution and often serve as the constraints across the relevant backlogs. As opposed to functional requirements which specify how a system responds to specific inputs, non-functional requirements are used to specify various system qualities and attributes, right? Such as performance, how fast a system should respond to the request; scalability, how well a system can handle an increase in users or workload; security, how well a system protects against unauthorized access and data breaches; usability, how easy a system is to use; maintainability, how easy it is to update and modify the system. NFRs are persistent qualities and constraints typically revisited as part of the definition of done for each iteration, PI, or release. NFRs influence teams, art, solution train, and portfolio backlogs. Let us try to understand some more details around it. Non-functional requirements are intended to specify system qualities, various system attributes that are not directly related to their functionality. These attributes do not tell what the system does, but how well it does it, right? In contrast, functional requirements are expressed as capabilities, features, and stories, which define what the system does in response to the various inputs. Although they may seem subtle, NFRs are just as vital to system success. Failing to meet NFRs can result in systems that do not meet the needs of business, customers, the market, or applicable regulations or standards. In some cases, non-compliance can cause significant issues such as cost, recalls, privacy, security, safety risk, legal exposure, and more. Proper identification and implementation of NFRs are critical. The solution may be too costly or unviable if they are over-specified. If under-specified, system may be inadequate for its intended use. No matter the scope of the system, an adaptive and incremental approach to exploring, defining, implementing NFRs is a vital skill for agile teams. NFRs constraints backlogs, right? If you look at this picture, NFRs are affecting almost every backlog at all levels. It affects team backlog, it affects art backlog, it affects solution backlog, it affects portfolio backlogs. NFRs are associated with the backlogs throughout the safe, right? However, they are not backlog items. Backlog items come and go as they are implemented. NFRs are persistent constraints on design and development of the system. For example, consider a requirement such as all the products in the suite require a SAML-based single sign-on, right? While single sign-on is a functional requirement, the selection of SAML is a constraint, right? Any new backlog item requiring sign-on functionality must include SAML, in its acceptance criteria, right? So this is an example of NFR will affect almost all the backlogs throughout the safe. With that, come to the conclusion of this video. Hope you guys got a fair idea on non-functional requirements, right? We talked about non-functional requirements is contrast or opposite to the functional requirements. Functional requirements talk about how do we respond to the specific input, Non-functional requirements will talk about system qualities, specifically constraints of a system, right? It could be performance or scalability or maintainability, ease of use, right? So it's very essential skill for an agile team that also we talked about, and the impact of NFRs is everywhere throughout the safe. It affects almost every backlog, right? So hope you guys like this kind of videos. If you like, please hit the please hit the like button, and you can subscribe to my channel, right? So with that, I'm signing off. See you in next video.